guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another school lunch video. In these videos, I like to show you what I pack my kids to take to school for lunch during the week. I have two kids. My daughter Kira is 9 and she's in 4th grade, and my son Connor is 6 and he is in kindergarten. And in this video, I'm also showing you what I took to work one day for lunch this week as well. So the first couple lunches that I'm showing you, I'm going to be using the Yum boxes that we have. I've been using these for several years. I have 3 of the size that you see here. Those are the ones that are perfect for school age kids, and then I have a larger one that's great for adults. It's called a tapas size. So we love using them. My kids love taking them to school, and they're great because they are also leak proof, and the insert can be taken out and put in the dishwasher. So for Kira's lunch today, I am making her some peanut butter and jelly. I just cut those into fun shapes with some cookie cutters that I got on Amazon. I will leave links to everything I used in this video that I can find down below. I also used some cutters to cut up some cheese, and I'm putting just a few turkey sticks in there. And then I also have these googly eye picks, which are super cute, and so I'm just putting those in there for like a fun little embellishment. For her fruit, I'm just going to slice up some strawberries and put those in the fruit compartment. And then she actually likes to just eat plain raw spinach, and so I just put a few of those leaves in the veggie portion. For her treat today, I'm just going to add a few little M&Ms to the center there. That's what I usually use that compartment for. Either that or dip if I'm sending them with veggies or something like that. So here's the larger Yum box. This one again is called the tapas size. I really like this size for adults. It's like the perfect portion, and maybe even a little bigger than you actually need for lunch. So I'm taking this to work the next morning. I'm actually prepping this the night before. So I just have an English cucumber that I sliced up and put in that top compartment there. I'm also slicing up some strawberries, and then I have some of the Alouette soft cheese that I actually found at Aldi. So I put a few of those in the center container. And then while I am getting things ready, I'm just going to go ahead and cut up the rest of my strawberries and put them in a container and get them in the fridge since I was already prepping stuff for the next day. If you guys are interested in the Yum box, you can either find them directly from their website or Amazon sells them as well. I have a discount code that you can use on the Yum box site, so that might be better for you if you can reach the free shipping threshold. Otherwise, you can get them on Amazon Prime as well. So check that out if you're interested. I really like them. I think that they're super fun and they make packing lunches really fun. So the other thing that I added to my box was some chicken salad that I meal prepped and some of these crisp bread crackers that I get from Trader Joe's. They're really good. Okay, so here is Kira's lunch today. I packed up her Yum box with some cheese, some turkey sticks, peanut butter and jelly with these cute little eyeball picks in there, some sliced up strawberries, some spinach, and some M&Ms. And then I'm also giving her a Capri Sun and a yogurt. I might throw some goldfish crackers in there, I'm not sure. She's been eating more now since that she's in 4th grade, so I want to make sure that she has enough to eat. And then for breakfast this morning, I just reheated up some crepes that I made during my meal prep this weekend. So these are just rolled up with Nutella inside, and then I put some strawberries on the top, and I'll give them some grape juice. So that is what they are having for breakfast and lunch today. Connor is eating school lunch. Okay, so for lunch today, Connor is taking home lunch and Kira is going to eat lunch at school. So he has a turkey wrap with turkey, cheese, and lettuce, some goldfish crackers, some dried strawberries. I get these from Aldi, and some cucumbers and ranch. And then I'm also giving him a package of the Hello Panda cookies. I get these at Costco, and a juice box. And then for breakfast, I made them apples and peanut butter with chocolate chip granola bar. And Connor decided that he doesn't want to eat it, so we'll see. But that is what he's taking for lunch today. Okay, good morning and happy Thursday. So the kids are both taking their lunch today. I made them up some snack boxes. I actually made these last night after the kids were in bed. So these are the Easy Lunch Boxes brand, and I get them on Amazon. I will leave a link down below if you're interested. But basically I put in here some turkey sticks or turkey sausage, some cheddar cheese, some grapes, and some cucumbers. And then they're each going to take one of these breadsticks with cheese and a pudding. This is Hershey's cookies and cream pudding in a juice pouch. So both Kira and Connor have the same thing. And then for breakfast today, I just heated them up some of those crepes that I meal prepped this weekend. I put a little bit of Nutella in the middle, rolled them up, and gave them some strawberries and some juice. So that is what they're having for breakfast, and this is what they are taking for lunch today. Okay, so good morning and happy Friday. We have reached the end of the week. Both kids are taking their lunch to school today, and they pretty much have the same thing. Kira, well, actually both of them have an Uncrustable. This is the grape flavor. Some pretzel sticks, a Jell-O cup. Kira has lemon meringue, and Connor has, where's that, cookies and cream. And then I gave them a little package of those panda cookies and some grapes. And then they're going to take a juice pouch, and I need to get their ice pack in there. So this is not a fancy lunch because I ran out of time last night and I just didn't feel like making anything elaborate today. So that is it for this week. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what my kids ate for lunch and breakfast. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.